through the battery. So here voltage is given as 6 volt. Now we have to find the resistance here. So resistance per unit length of wire is given as 1 upon pi ohm per meter. So resistance per unit length is equals to 1 upon pi. Here the length will be equals to circumference of the circle, which is equals to 2 pi r, which is equals to 4 pi on putting the value of r as 2 here. So r upon 4 pi will be equals to 1 upon pi. So resistance here is 4 ohm. Now here the arc is of 90 degrees. So length of this arc will be equals to r theta, which is equals to 2 into theta will be equals to 90 degree, which is equals to pi upon 2. So here length is pi, and for the other half length will be 4 pi minus pi, which is equals to 3 pi. 4 pi is the total circumference and pi is the circumference of this point. So this will be 3 pi. Now the resistance of this yellow portion will be equals to, as per unit length it was 1 upon pi, and for length pi it will be equals to 1 ohm. So this is for the yellow portion. Now for the other portion, resistance upon length will be equals to 1 upon pi. Here the length is 3 pi. So resistance upon 3 pi equals to 1 upon pi. So resistance will be equals to 3 ohm. Now here 1 ohm and 3 ohm, they both are in parallel. Here it is 1 ohm and here it is 3 ohm. So net resistance will be equals to, which is equals to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. So which is equals to 3 into 1 upon 3 plus 1, which is equals to 3 upon 4. Now V equals IR. Here V is 6 volt, I into resistance is 3 upon 4. So I will be equals to 8 ampere. So option number A will be your answer.